Hi, I'm Ben Lamb, founder and CEO of Hypergiant Industries. At Hypergiant, we're committed to solving humanity's most challenging problems through the creation of emerging technologies. One of the biggest challenges facing us today is climate change. Temperatures are rising, glaciers are melting, and carbon dioxide levels are increasing daily. It's a huge issue, no doubt, but sometimes the biggest problems can have small, even microscopic solutions. Enter algae, the minute hero responsible for about 2/3 of the oxygen in our entire atmosphere. This single-cell organism can be a key solution in the fight against rising CO2 levels. Algae needs two things to survive: light and carbon dioxide. So we created the EOS bioreactor to best house algae in near-perfect conditions, so it can sequester CO2 rapidly and efficiently. As air comes in, it's mixed with the algae, which in turn consumes 60 to 90% of the CO2. What we're left with is clean, oxygen-rich air. To do this as effectively as possible, the algae needs to be analyzed and regulated through a network of sensors in the bioreactor. This is where ARM comes in. Each sensor runs on an ARM processor that optimizes and manages the processes like light management, temperature control, pH balance, and others, so the algae can thrive and consume the most CO2 without human intervention. In addition to this, ARM CPUs allow a whole network of bioreactors to talk with each other at the edge, so they can further train the AI models that are in the system. And in order for the bioreactor to be truly successful, it needs to perform complex compute problems with low power consumption, all while keeping costs at a minimum. Thus, ARM is the ideal choice for this. In the future, we want to release an open source plan so that cities, companies, and even individuals at home can adopt this technology and build a connected grid of bioreactors. And that wouldn't be possible without ARM technology at the core. Tackling climate change and paving the way for other sustainable movements is being made possible by ARM.